Today, November 21st, 2023, marks 1 year from the day I posted my very first video on this channel. So I thought it might be fun to walk you guys through what my experience has been like so far, and also give you an in-depth look at how much money I've actually made on this channel in the first 12 months. And I know that finances can be a touchy subject for some people, but I like to be an open book, and I figured that especially on a platform like YouTube, where the only reason I'm able to make money to begin with is because I have people watching me, that you guys deserve to know. Over the past year, I've put a lot of time and hard work into this channel, and coincidentally, this should actually be my 150th video that I've posted, including both full videos and shorts. And in that time, all of these videos have accumulated over 219,000 views. That number alone is really hard for me to believe. And at the time of filming this, I've actually reached over 840 subscribers, which is pretty crazy to me too. Thank you so much for subscribing if you have. Okay, so that all being said, there are actually quite a few ways that YouTubers can monetize and make money off of their channel. And firstly, the main one that I think most people are familiar with that watch YouTube is AdSense. That's YouTube's platform for paying creators for the ads that play before, during, and after their videos. And I don't want to draw this out or keep you waiting, so drumroll please. Yeah, it's $0 for me. But don't click away, I absolutely did still make money on this channel this way, it just wasn't through AdSense. See, when you're a YouTuber, you actually need to reach a certain threshold before YouTube will pay you for those ads that play during your videos. The current thresholds you have to reach is 4,000 watch hours, which I've already met, and 1,000 subscribers. I'm still just over 160 subscribers short of being able to even apply to monetize my videos in that way. Now, luckily, YouTube did change their policies recently to allow small creators like me to monetize in a few different ways before you reach that threshold, which I have joined the partner program for that. That allows me to have channel members. I don't have any right now, but if you're interested in becoming a channel member to support me, that is an option if you're interested. So yeah, even though I hit one of their thresholds, I still am shy on subscribers before I can monetize in that way, which maybe you could help me out by subscribing to the channel. I would really appreciate it. Okay, so now let's talk about how I actually made money this year by making these videos. Brand deals. Believe it or not, I actually started getting inquiries from companies that wanted to collaborate with me all the way back in February of this year. I only had 102 subscribers at the time. And although those first few emails that I got weren't really anything that I was interested in collaborating on, I was still ecstatic to get any emails at all for business inquiries. Fast forward just a few months and I actually get pretty consistent emails now, maybe like one a day, from different companies that are looking to either collaborate, send me free products, or sponsor a video. So when I first started collaborating with brands, really all that they would want to do is send me a free product in exchange for me to make a review video. But once I got a little bit more established, started showing more consistency in my videos, and definitely started seeing an increase in subscribers, that did shift and it went away from just getting free products to actually getting paid to make review videos. So with where I'm at now, this does depend a little bit on the specific agreement that me and a brand come to, but I'd say that on average, I'm getting paid around $50 to $100 to make product review videos, and that's either for shorts or full form videos. And I have been lucky enough to do a few of those collaboration videos, especially more recently in the past few months. It has increased. Now, I can't really say how much each company has paid me specifically, but I am able to tell you that the overall total that I've made this year through brand deals is $346.59. That number might seem a little bit random just because I did have to pay some PayPal fees when money was coming into me, but basically $350. I'm so grateful for the companies that have given me a chance in sponsored videos to support me and support my channel, so definitely shout out to them for making that possible. And side note, there is definitely more value that I've received than that just in free products too. A lot of companies just sent me free stuff to review, which I was happy to take, especially for products that I've been interested in personally. And there's definitely value in that. I'd easily say that I've been given hundreds of dollars worth of tech items or tech accessories to make videos for free. But obviously I can't pay my rent with an iPhone case, so I'm not going to be including those in my overall total. That number is pretty amazing, right? I'm very grateful to have been paid that much, especially in the first year on YouTube. Outside of that, believe it or not, there's also one more way that I was able to make money off my YouTube videos this year, and that is affiliate marketing, or more specifically, Amazon affiliate links. And what that means, if you're not familiar, is that whenever I reference a product or make a video about a specific product, I can put a link for that product in the description of my video or in the comments so that my audience can easily click through to the Amazon listing and buy it if they're interested in doing so. So let's get to the numbers for this one. Through Amazon affiliates, at the end of 2022, about a month and a half into making videos, I made a whopping $1.77. So shout out to you if you were the person that bought the Sphero Spectrums that I talked about in my very first video. Okay, so that was just for the end of 2022, and I wanted to give you guys that number just to put in perspective how different it is for this year. So far, for the year of 2023, through Amazon affiliate links, I have earned $144.91. And to do the quick maths for you, that means my total amount earned through Amazon affiliates over the past 12 months is $146.68. This number honestly really surprised me. I've always been under the impression that Amazon affiliate links are a pretty low earning income source, but I actually just checked, this was only through 61 ordered items. So me getting paid almost $150 for that doesn't seem too bad. Okay, so now let's take a look at it all together. AdSense, brand deals, and affiliate marketing. All of these numbers added up brings the total amount of money I've made on YouTube in the first 12 months to $486.70. Wow, really all I can say is thank you. Making this video has really opened my eyes and reminded me of how grateful and how lucky I am to be able to make videos, have an audience to watch them, and make any money at all from it, let alone almost $500. Now, I know if you look at this from a different angle, it might seem like a very minimal amount of money, especially after 12 months of work, but I know that YouTube is a hard game to play and definitely a hard platform to break into. I know from firsthand experience how hard it can be to make videos like this and just put everything you have into them and sometimes just have them flop where no one sees them. I know how hard it is to keep opening the YouTube Studio app and refreshing it endlessly, hoping that your subscriber count goes up. This is something that I still do pretty much daily. I have also experienced the other end of it too, putting everything I have into a video just to see it perform well and get great positive feedback on it. There's really nothing else like it. Basically, my point is $500 is an amazing amount of money to make in the first year on a platform like YouTube, and I'm so extremely grateful for it. This is something that I've always wanted to do. I can't tell you how many different channels I've made over the years. If you take anything away from this video, let it be this: keep going. Whether you're a YouTuber, an entrepreneur, or whatever it may be, it can be really hard to get started. It pays off to do what you love, mentally especially, but eventually financially too. I'm very confident that I'm only going up from here, and I know that you can do the same thing. You've got this. And before you leave, if I could just ask one favor, if you appreciated this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'd love to have you here, and as always, I have some amazing content coming up, especially for 2024. I hope to see you there.